let's practice together. Put my glasses on. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I decided to do some figure drawing practice today, and I decided what better way to do some practice than to do with you guys. Because practicing can be very boring. It definitely can be. When you do it with other people, it makes it more fun. It makes the process more enjoyable. So what better way to practice and develop your skills than to do with others. So that's what I'll be doing today. Join along. So you could either practice yourself or draw something completely different or even paint while I'm practicing. Either way, we'll be doing this together. Now together on 3. 1, 2, together. You didn't. I'll wait. It's okay. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. 1, 2, together. See? Would you look at that? We're already to a good start. Sometimes I crack myself up. Let's get started. So in this video, I planned on simply recording myself practicing, but then I want to add more value. I want to talk about a couple helpful tips I keep in mind when practicing. One of those being time. How long I practice for in that moment. Is it 45 minutes, 2 hours, or even 10 minutes? I do this so that I'm aware of when to take a break and how to measure the time when I practice that day or that week. Then I go into my subject of what I'm studying. I'm currently focusing on the figure. If you're having trouble on deciding on what to study, I will think about what you want to learn more about. What have you seen that made you intrigued? Quick commercial break. My son wanted me to draw my own version of a creeper from Minecraft. Here's that creeper. Beautiful, right? When he seen it, he gave it the weirdest face. I thought it was one of the best creepers ever, right? If you're not familiar with Minecraft, Minecraft has creepers, and they don't look like this. They don't look like this one bit. But here's my version. Alright, back to the regularly scheduled program. Back to practice. Take some time to think about that. There's a saying, practice makes perfect. I don't believe that saying. Rather, perfect practice makes perfect. What I take from that is to be intentional about what you're studying and how you're studying it. My next tip is how you're going to practice. Will it be through a book, an online class, YouTube, a workshop, or an ebook? Whichever way works best for you. Everyone's learning style is different. Don't feel discouraged if you see people learning in one way and you learn in another. Learn at your own pace. If you find that learning with others helps you stay motivated and gives you a sense of accountability, then a workshop or learning live on YouTube may work great. Another way that helps me to study is repetition. When I'm practicing something, specifically drawing the figure, what I like to do is draw my subject and then repeat it right next to the first example. The second time I'm copying it, I'm looking less at my main reference. This helps me build muscle memory. Throughout my surface, I'm randomly drawing different areas of my subject that I want to remember. Then I move on to the next reference. I usually spend about 45 minutes studying, then I'll take a break or call it a day. Another thing I enjoy doing is going back through what I'm studying. If I can't remember a certain part off the top of my head, then maybe I need to go over it again. There's another quote that goes, amateurs do something till they get it right. Professionals do something till they can't get it wrong. This quote helped me put practice in perspective. When you study something till you can't get it wrong, then the right way becomes second nature. The next aspect of practicing that helps me is to ensure that I'm comfortable. We all have experienced that ache and shoulder pain. It's especially bad when you're wanting to complete a specific drawing. When you're comfortable while practicing, you can practice for longer. You want to make practicing a simple and easy process to jump right into. And if you're having trouble with starting, try the 5-minute rule. It's when you tell yourself you will do something for 5 minutes, and after that 5 minutes, usually will end up keep going. I will make practicing a part of my weekly habit. And lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you next time.